Hey guys, it's me. Press this one to elements and we can edit the speed. So you can see now that everything's popping from the animation. So that's how easy it is. And just click on share as the MP4. So that's how you create a pop-out text or use a pop-out animation with the use of Canva. Once again, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and press the bell button for more Canva tips and tricks to come. Thank you for watching.